I'm a South African. I live in Uganda. Also, I work in Uganda. I joined online dating. I met this guy. He's a Ghanaian. He lives in Austria. He invited me to come to Austria. We have been dating for a year, 3 months now. So he said that I should come to Austria. I accepted. He helped me in preparing my documents. I'm the one that paid for my flight ticket. But something happened why I came to you guys to come and help me. Because as it is now, I am devastated and disappointed. I don't know what to do as it is now. When I traveled from Uganda to Austria, he came and he welcomed me. I was very happy to see him for the first time. We have been chatting for over a year now. We were dating for about a year and 3 months before he invited me to come to Austria. When I got to Austria, he took me home. When I got to his house, honestly, what I saw was not what I was expecting. Yes, ever since I've been talking to this guy, I always see guys coming to his house. When I ask him, he will tell me they are my friends. They just came to tell me something. They will soon go back, this and that. I never knew that 7 of them are living together in the same house. I never said that people cannot live together. But the way he talked to me, the way and what he made me to believe, I believe that he is alone and he is a man that has already prepared for marriage. I am not a baby. I'm 36 years old. I need to settle down. But when I got there, I saw that there were 7 living in a house. And all of them are not doing anything that is tangible. I was like, what is going on? I called him one night. I said, what is your occupation? Because you told me that you are working in a factory and you made me to believe you. He was like talking in a stammerer form. I asked him again, you told me you are working in a factory. What is going on? This is 4 days now I am here. Not even you and your friend, none of you has gone out from morning to night. What is happening? Only few will go out and come back in less than 1 hour. What is going on? And when I got there, I did not see anything, not even in the kitchen. I saw only potato pots and a kettle with 4 plates and 5 spoons. I was like, what is happening here? That was when it got to me that I've entered one chance. My people, I don't know what to do. And he has been begging me that I should stay. I should stay for him, that he truly loved me. He started open up to me that he's not doing anything, that he's this type of people that they are jobless, that it is when job comes to them that they will do and get that money. That I should forget about what he told me, that I should focus now that we have seen each other, that let us build ourselves. I was like, what is happening? My people, please, I need your advice. Should I stay or should I leave this man? I don't know what to do. He made me to believe him. I really believed him before I got there, and what I saw, my mouth cannot say it. We slept in the parlor. That is where I and him are sleeping. All this while that I came, I was the person providing our food with the little money that I came with. Honestly, I don't know what to do. Please, I need your advice. Please, I need your advice. As it is now, I don't know where to run to. I don't know what to tell my friends that I told that I'm going to meet with my fiancé. Getting here, what I saw, I cannot explain to them. Please, I need your advice. My correct people. You guys heard what she said, right? Please drop your opinion in the comment section. Your advice. She needs it. Please. My sister, my advice to you is to leave that man. He is not serious. He needs someone he wants to use. He just wants to use you. And he will soon dump you. Please leave him and go back to your base. See you guys again in my next video. Bye for now.